this is the iClub Hotel in Fortress Hill. So what's good about this hotel is that it offers free coffee all day. But during breakfast they have croissants and some bread and jam and butter. So this is how it looks like. There's another space on the other side. And the sweat lounge is like on your left. There are also tables there and chairs. And then what's good also in this hotel is that it offers a luggage hold service. Luggage left service, what they call it. Then you just need to bring your luggage here at the ground floor. So it will be here. When you come out from that door, here, and then just leave your luggage here. And it's free of charge. This is iClub Hotel. And then it's around like that. And then this one. Oo. Pero malamig, anong Disney? Disney here?
Disney dyan.
Oh. So, di ba we can also go this way or just this way pag ano na?
Nandito sila.
Oo, dito lang tapos or this way straight?
Dito sa Daytona.
Saan ba yung pinakita ng Thai? That way na. So there is 7-Eleven here nearby. Then Shell. There's a bakery here. So if you want anything, the bakery is close by. Food around the corner. Ito lang siya. Then sa side there. Starbucks is just around the corner. Restaurants. And what is it? Is it mayonnaise now? Yung gusto namin ma-exchange dito. 4-year lang siya. The hotel is like there. Doon. Tapos dito yung ma-exchange. So this one is ay, tignan mo naman itong building na to. Look. So, fresh fruits are here if you want, and then chicken and duck. Wow. Another restaurant, Fu Wok Cafe. Tinignan ko din to. This is CA Garden Hotel. So, okay. Amazing talaga yung mga building nila dito. Kasi, look. Super space saver sila dito. If you're here in Hong Kong, as you can see yung tram na yun. Yung blue, that blue one. Don't forget na you try that. It's really maganda. Para siyang hop on, hop off na bus. Well, it's just for $2 per ride. Not this one, but yung other one. These are the buses here. So this is the a while ago. You need to take this pag nandito ako sa Hong Kong. Ganda niya. Like, you need to try it. Again, $2 lang siya. Like, 280 at that. I think 280. And then this one is the MTR